The my men will be gone for days, and when they come back, they will come back with captives who they will kill and ask me to cut in pieces and boil for their food.
There was no way she or anyone else would have gone through that. No way men would eat other men. I wanted desperately to ask her how human flesh tastes like. But how could I? How could you? How could I narrow down her suffering, her horror, to this mundane curiosity? She then tells me of weeks leading to Christmas with the militiamen.
The men told me they will boil my child to celebrate Christmas. Then they made me light a big fire and put a big pot on top of it. I begged and cried, but they laughed like Satan. They made me place my baby into the boiling pot, and they all stood aside. As the water boiled on my baby, it was very painful, while she screamed her lungs out.
There's nothing I've heard in my life that can match hearing this woman talk about watching and hearing her baby boil in that pot. I'm a father, but you don't have to be a parent to feel your skin crawl, to feel your revulsion at this. You only have to have a heartbeat, because you feel your hands turn cold at hearing this part of the tale. Thankfully, Mokolo asked his men to remove the baby, but not after she was burnt and her skin was peeling off. Of course, these memories made her break down. She cried silently, head bowed. I sat there balancing tears, and I waited for this moment to pass, but knowing it might never pass. I stared at a spot, because when you stare at a spot for long without blinking, your tears will not fall. But then I blinked.